now. Yeah.
Face connect.
Cut ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು.
Court officer. Court officer. Court officer.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಯಾವ ನಿಮ್ಮೆ ಅವಶ್ಯ
ಓದಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಎರಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ
ನೋಡ್ರಿ
ಹಾಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಾಯ್ತು
ಓದೋದಿಲ್ಲ 1625 ಏನು
ಅದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಅವರು
ಹೊಸ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡಿ ತೊಗೊಳಂತ
ಎಲ್ಲ 25
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು 25 ಯಾವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಂದು ಇಡ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
ಸರಿ
ನಂಬರ್
328
ಮುನ್ನೋಡ್ರಿ
526 522 525 522 525
preliminaries ಯಾವ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
3 526
ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದರ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನ ಆಯ್ತು ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನೋಡವು
ಇವರು ಸರ್ ಜಯಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಂ objection ಮತ್ತು xerox ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
329 399 ಕಾಣವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವು ಅಂಟಿಸೋದು ಇದು ಫೈಲೇ 329 399
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದು CCMS ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ
CCMS ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇರೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನಲವತ್ತೆಂಟು
ಸರಿ. ಅದೇ ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ. Objection.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ
service. Final year examination.
On local body matter, not Thursday. Thursday is the local body. Well, one more matter.
Madam, fresh service matter, my lord. My lord, academical year start ಆಗೋದಿದೆ. Academical year start ಆಗೋದಿದೆ, my lord.
Today they have not paid any scale salary. After the inquiry, they have not paid any delegation. Till today they have not paid any.
Please, my lord, there is one, my lord, service matter and also, my lord, civil matter. Lord, even after, my lord, charges disproved in the inquiry, my lord, not had been, my lord, salary paid and, my lord, reinstatement done. And, my lord, another civil matter, my lord, easementary right, my lord, 30-40 years, my lord, they are using the road. And all of a sudden, my lord, the stage vacated before the, my lord, suit, my lord, gets completed. So, my lord, matter is, my lord, urgency involved. Maybe Thursday, my lord, both the matters, please.
We'll be getting a better judge from next week. So why don't you
My
move
lord,
it next week?
Still, my lord, matter is urgency, my lord. We take a
Yeah.
chance, my lord, on Thursday. One is, my lord, easementary right, my lord, 30-40 years we are using.
Friday
And,
CPC
my lord,
matters you can hand over. Friday CPC matters you can hand over.
please, CPC, my lord, one, my lord, and my lord, one service matter, my lord, that reinstatement, my lord, unnecessarily, my lord, the employees put in, my lord, harassment, my lord, even disapproval of, my lord.
Service matter, can it not come in the first week of March?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2-3 days ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ತಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ GM CPC we have fixed the dates.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಯರ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್
Urgency ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? That is what I am asking.
ಅದೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿನ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ reinstatement not done after 6 months of ಲಾರ್ಡ್ lapsation on the part of department. Please.
ಆಯ್ತು. Yes. ಆಯ್ತು, move it in first week. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಇದು better judge is going to come in the next week. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಲಿಬರಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, liberal than me. Better move it before the next roster.
My lord, one matter for orders. DPM maker matters for order. My lord, in this case, lordship had specifically
CPC
directed.
matters, huh?
No, my lord. In this case, what has happened? Lordship had directed to produce a specific document. My lord, in the petition itself, it has been mentioned that the document is not there for clarification of the order. My lord, for Thursday.
Whichever date.
Thursday.
Lordship, surface check, lordship. Surface check, lordship.
Huh?
Total amount is 3 crore, lordship. I want to take the one-time settlement, lordship, within bank. I have already deposited 75 lakhs, lordship. Remaining, I am ready to pay, lordship. And will be taken day after tomorrow, lordship.
Day after tomorrow? ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
Pensionary benefits have been withheld and he has one.
Can you not move it in the first week? Please understand. Can you not move it in the first week? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಯು?
One tender matter, my lord, set up the list, my lords. The respond number, petitioner and respond number 5 have been declared as L1, my lords. It was, thereafter draw was to be conducted, my lords. The petitioner was not permitted to participate. Already work order has been issued, my lords. The work may be allotted, my lords. Though you have filed appeal before the appellate authority, my lords, though it is listed, my lords, it was not taken up for hearing, my lords.
I told.
It may taken up for end of the list. Please, end of the
One matter pertaining to APMC allotments, my lord, I am the senior most and having obtained the highest marks in the. As per the APMC allotment, my lord, of
APMC
sites, house.
Monday next week ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
My lord, now they have recommended some other name for, my lord, though I am the senior most and having obtained the highest marks.
Let it come in the first week.
Our finalize ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೊರಟು.
Finalize ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Next week, first week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Suspension of my lord's employee, Kayaka Mitra employee. She is only depending upon that income. 10,200 she will get, my lords. Now without jurisdiction and without issuing any
Subsistence ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Subsistence allowance. ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
One submission also.
Serial
number 24.
Please wait. Yes, correct.
End of the list one.
ಏನು?
Connected to serial number 41 matter. Today.
Serial number
41. Similar ಇದು.
ಹನೀಫ್. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್?
Another writ petition they have filed.
ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
GMCPC matter, my lords, and
ಆಯ್ತು ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಫ್ರೈಡೆ. Correct.
preliminary hearing, serial number 31 to 38.
My lord, one submission. Serial number 30, I will withdraw the petition, my lord.
31 na?
30, my lord. I will withdraw the petition, my lord. Liberty may be reserved to file fresh petition, my lord.
No liberty.
Subsequent ಬೇರೆ representations ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದು annexure ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈ petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
land acquisition matter.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ events changes ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ include ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, my lord.
So then you file an application for amendment. Why you want to withdraw it?
ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು changes ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Maximum enter petition change.
Don't do this mistake. Sorry, land acquisition, you challenge the notification.
ಬೇರೆ representation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು subsequently ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
What is challenged?
ಬರೇ mandamus related ಇದೆ, my lord.
What is challenged? You have only sought for mandamus?
Mandamus is
for what?
Compensation ಇದೆ.
Compensation?
ನಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Notification ಇದೆಯಾ? challenge the notification. Don't do the mistake of withdrawing it.
Fresh petition.
No, just have a look at it. Put it.
I'll file application.
Don't do that mistake.
Sima 31 to 38. Sima 39 to 46.
बस नाम EP 106 पास ओवर कराओ, उसमें पुराना क्या हो मंदिर बोलो. ओके
52 to 56.
चलो ठीक है. 53 में ये झटपट में EP फाइल करना. EP
Just in usual course.
Number 57 to 61. Number 52 to 66.
Lord, serial number 64, I pay for respond number 2. I pray for a week's time. Lord, I inform the others at DPM Baker.
Also for the respond number 2 and 36 time. Just in usual course.
Please, Lord.
Interim ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
No, Lord. Andamas. Number 67 to 71. Number 70 to 75. Number 76 to 80. Number 81 to 84.
82, my lord. 82, I appear for the respondent. Not on the last occasion directed to take notice. I need 2 weeks time to file.
And counsel for the response 2 to 4 6 time. Interim ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Just in usual course.
85 to 88.
87, my lord. I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. It is a 4 decades long litigation with respect to the challenging the land tribunal. Every time it was listing at the end of the day after 70 serial number. I am all the way coming from Bangalore. 4-5 adjournments have happened. That's why it be fixed as a 230 matters by giving a next date.
I can't fix the roster for another judge. Yeah, judge banda bekri mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Any date will be.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು?
First week of that.
One counsel for the petition seeks time.
5th March.
15th, first week of March.
5th March ಅಂದ್ರೆ first week ತಾನೆ?
5th March. 15th, 5th. 6th maybe.
Yes, next.
Much of
For 89.
Correct.
My lordship, one submission, my lordship. Serial number 24, as per court order 11/12/2025, it must be posted on second week of March, my lordship.
See number 24.
24, I am for the respondent number 4,
Sridevi.
Sridevi. It must be posted on the second week of March, my lordship.
No,
But
please wait.
one date.
Please wait. Correct.
Orders. Serial number 1. Pritam Degulonkar.
Pritam. Ilri. Where is this chairman and district citizen?
Last date of hearing is appeared.
Yaro? Present person to be where is this report? Disability.
File already.
File ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
Yes, my lord. Last date of hearing. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮೋಜ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Kindly pass our money. Kindly pass our.
ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Last time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನು last time there is some order. He submits a copy of the disability report of the respondent number 6 has been handed over by him to the learned AAG. AGA.
ಅದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Office
Pass over.
Serial number 2. K. Dheeraj Kumar.
I appear for
Who has
Dheeraj
filed
Kumar
this memo?
advocate has filed Dheeraj Kumar, K. Dheeraj Kumar has filed
Memo of retirement. Memo of retirement filed by Mr. K. Dheeraj Kumar is accepted. Office is directed to delete his name from the cause list and continue the name of Hema LK.
please. And Mellors, this is the last time heard the matter, Mellors. This is
Yeah,
covered
ma'am.
by judgment, Mellors. Earlier the state highway was existing road, Mellors. Now
Santosh Maradi.
finally ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಮಯ. Kindly see the proceed, Mellors.
ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ? If it doesn't come, what can
230 Mellors I will get.
pass over?
Please. Much.
Shivling Padshetti.
Serial number 3. Shivling Padshetti.
Then notice to respondent number 7 and
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
notice ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
1 week.
No, 1 week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಾ?
Emergent notice serve ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು. Respondent number 7, 6 and 7, 8 to 3.
Process ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು?
Yes, my lord.
ಇವತ್ತು. Learned counsel for the petition undertakes to pay the process during the course of the day. If process is paid, issue notice to the unserved respondents.
4. Ravi B. Patil.
Ravi B. Patil.
Phone ಮಾಡಿ
Same order.
On 10 and 11 minute or the project director and they are the contractors engaged by one of the state highway for one of the laying road.
Parties or not?
One of the formal party I would seek dispensation.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Memo ಕೊಡಿ. Learned counsel for the petition has filed a memo seeking dispensation notice to respond number 10 and 11. In view of the memo, notice to the said respondents is dispensed.
10 government over.
Huh?
10 government could project director.
Project director what?
State highway.
State highways ನೀವು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
Private party. Private party.
9 either. I'm sorry.
10 and 11 dispensed, huh?
Please.
List for preliminary hearing in B group.
Interim order may be kindly.
Interim order granted as extent to the next. Shahnawaz, Mamtapur.
This case I am appearing for respondent number 6, my lord.
1 week time is granted to do the needful.
But sir, there is already a
Huh?
direction by this honorable court, my lord.
Huh?
There is a direction by this honorable court on dated Lord 11/2/2025.
Yes.
Whereby a 29/5/2024 direction was there, my lord. In order to inquire the matter, since my lord
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ?
the respondent number 4 has to make the inquiry, my lord. Since
2
already,
to 4 ಯಾರು? Who appears for 2 to 4? Ratna Shivayogi Mutt.
because my lord already petitioner has encroached the public property.
Ratna Shivayogi Mutt.
The petitioner, my lords.
Ratna Shivayogi Mutt.
We have submitted all the documents before the respondent number 4, my lords, as per the directions of the honorable court, my lords.
The learned counsel for the respondent number 2 to 4 is absent. He has not complied the order dated 11/2/2025.
In earlier order 29/5/2024.
And 29/5/2024. As a last chance list on. As a last chance for complaints list on.
phone per पैसे request हो जी.
Pardon? Yes.
Based on 5 days. The number 6, PK Raman.
Obliged, my lords.
Appearing on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3.
Application for
Yeah, process in
my IMA by allowed.
IAN paper publication.
for paper publication.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ R5 ಗೆ?
Allowed.
ಸರ್ವೆ R5 ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? What is the endorsement?
It has come back.
With what is the
Saying that
endorsement?
party is not.
ಏನ್ರಿ?
Party is not.
ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Insufficient address ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಇರೋದೇ.
But insufficient address in the paper publication ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Himself is not. He's not.
That is right. How will you, if the
It's not staying there.
notice is returned with the endorsement insufficient address, how can substituted service be ordered? ನೋಡಿ residing at ದೇವರ ಹಿಪ್ಪರಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Yes.
ದೇವರ ಹಿಪ್ಪರಗಿ is a big town. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕೋದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ? ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಕ್ಕನ ಮಸೀದಿ ಪಕ್ಕನ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬರೀ ರಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ದೇವರ ಹಿಪ್ಪರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕೋ ದೇವರ ಹಿಪ್ಪರಿಗೆಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾದರ್. ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಸಿಫ್ ಎ ಅತ್ತರ್.
On NOC I have taken this file.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು
Kindly permit me. Kindly permit me to take out paper publication.
ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡಿ. ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. The notice issued to the respondent number 5 has returned unserved with the endorsement insufficient address. Hence, IA 1/25 cannot be considered at this stage. Learned counsel for the petitioner is directed to furnish correct address of the respondent number 5 and also pay process. If process is paid, issue notice to the respondent number 5. IA is kept pending. Yes.
Simultaneously.
Adding agutte. Right, next.
Bill number 7, Itan.
Non-compliant office of scrutiny, steps to be taken as to decision. No representation for the petitioner. 2 weeks time is granted to do the needful. Baswa Kiran.
Number 8, Basav Kiran, GR.
Consideration of interim prayer. And who has moved this?
Respondents of
3 and 4.
In fact, there is an order of stay. So that case where, my lord, assistant engineer, my lord, is due for promotion as assistant executive engineer. And one, my lord, this particular post is earmarked for non-HK residual cadre. Page number 12.
But you know, there's some order saying that the impugned promotional list shall be subject to the outcome of the writ.
My lord.
There is an order on 20th of December 24.
My lord, subsequently your lordship granted, my lord, an order of stay.
ಏನಂತ?
There shall be, my lord, Subsequent, your lordship, my lord, granted in it.
Interim order granted on 3/2/25 is extended. 3/2/25, since the petition has been pressing for interim order in this court, I adjourn the petition repeatedly to enable to offer their comments until date no submissions are made regarding merits of the writ petition appropriate until the next date of hearing. The respondents 3 and 4 shall not take any further precipitative action for grant of promotion to the post of us. ಆಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Whether they are promoted or not.
They have not, my lord. It is still, my lord.
No, not yet promoted, my lord. It is DPC, my lord. It is a premature writ petition because they have filed their objection, my lord. And moreover,
That is right, but the notification ಅಲ್ಲಿ, that notification restricting the promotion to HK. HK na non-HK na?
It is earmarked for non-HK. Now they have included 2 persons of
Lord,
HK.
may I speak, my lord? Because it is a single sanction post, my lord, wherein as per the government circular, my lord, the reservation will not be applicable.
That is right. If the person who is entitled to be promoted has come from the HK, can he migrate horizontally to the non-HK?
That list which has been shown by the petitioner. As a
Then
Residual 1, 371J0.
Lord,
I belong to my lord residual kidder.
I have is
in India, KSRTC, BMTC, KKRTC, NWKRTC. You are from NWKRTC.
KKRTC.
You KKRTC, na?
Yes, my lord, KKRTC.
Residual.
Please, my lord.
ಒಂದು ರೆಸಿಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 371J.
I am non 371J residual, my lord.
ಅದೇನೆ. But 371J ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದು?
That's what, my lord, that the mistake on the part of corporation, that this is the only one sanction post is there, my lord. The entire KKRTC, my lord, assistant engineer electrical, my lord. For that purpose, my lord, the government circular is there. May I?
Correct, ಅದು one post ಇದೆ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, correct. But how? Now the notification says one post is for non-HK.
That's what, my lord, that is the mistake.
Correct. Notification is one post for non-HK. What is that you are doing now? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಈಗ?
Page 15, my lord, shows the respondent number 5 and 6, my lord, they belong to HK. And my lord, page 16, their names, my lord, are at serial number 1 and 2, Rajshekar, Uday Kumar, respondent number 5 and 6. They are in line of consideration.
317J ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? Please come to page 15.
Yes, ma'am.
ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ 371J ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ?
This is all at the stage of DPC.
Yes, it's
Whatever
still,
you say is not complete.
DPC will come only after this.
No.
It's not yet taken place.
And
DPC has not taken place.
They have been called for submitting their
Document verification, correct?
Yes.
Now, if you are called a candidate who belongs to 370 or a local candidate against a post which is for non-HK candidates.
It's not for non-HK, but there is a mistake in that notification.
Sorry, a mistake correction ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು?
Correct, that is different. The corporation has to do it, but also preempting the things he has come up for the writ petition.
Yes.
And he has already filed an objection, my lord. We will consider that objection. It's a premature writ, my lord.
No, but your prescription of 371J for atu tappu anta nanu.
That is by.
So ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ at least ಈ page number 13 have you withdrawn it? Page number 13 withdraw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
I will file statements.
Annexure B withdraw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? KKRTC ಯಾರು? Who appears?
I am.
Have you withdrawn this Annexure B?
That's what, my lord. I will file statement, my lord, otherwise.
Purport. Turn counsel for the respondent number 3 and 4 seeks time. to file statement of objections. This court has already granted an interim order on
3rd, my lord.
3rd of February 25. The same shall be continued till the next date of hearing.
Okay.
Yes, next.
Number 9, Deepak Bharat.
Memo along with answers. Deepak Bharat.
And summons were
R5.
issued, my lord, for R5. I have served the hand summons to the respondent number 5. I have made an memo to that effect.
Who is respondent number 5?
The cement
Sri
company,
Cements.
my lord.
Yeah, advocate for Sri Cements regular appear agalla.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
Labor matters will appear agalva.
I have not come across. Otherwise, my lord, I will take emergent notice for that.
The hand summons issued to respondent number 5 is duly served. However, there is no appearance for the respondent number 5. The learned counsel for the petition is directed to take out emergent notice to the respondent number 5.
There is the interim order.
Interim order granted early is extended till the next date.
Published.
Harshavardhan.
Number 10, assistant of party.
Maintainability, my lord, has raised objection. This is a petition by, my lord, a non-party to the writ petition. Lord, the court, the order impugned is the order in the writ petition. The office raised objection, my lord, that writ is not maintainable. Lord,
You're not a party to the earlier writ
he was not a party. Lord,
Well,
an
office
order for,
object-
my lord, change of entry is made.
Office objection regarding maintainability of the writ petition is overruled in view of the judgment of the apex court in AR 1963 SC 1909. Yes. What is the case?
The case is, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, was the owner of the land. One third party, my lord, claiming to be, my lord, a tenant, and, my lord, an order in his favor. Some fabricated document is produced, my lord, which is now produced at page 28. And, my lord, he says there is an award, my lord, the grant, my lord, in his favor. This order is of 76, my lord. He comes up with this, my lord, order after about 35-40 years in a writ petition. Earlier, my lord, an endorsement was issued by the revenue authority saying that there is no form number 7 filed by this party or, my lord, his ancestors. That he questioned, and, my lord, he sought for change of entries in his name.
But form number 10 is also issued antarre.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಈಗ I've got an endorsement from annexure F your lordships may see, my lord. I my lord asked the revenue authorities. They say there is nothing of that sort, my lord, with them. And, my lord, the entry stood in my name. He sought for change of entries based on that order. I was a necessary party in the writ petition. Last paragraph, my lord. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದಿಂದ ದಾಖಲೆ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಹಿಂಬರ ಪತ್ರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಿದ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಾದ ಭೂ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಆದೇಶ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೋ ದಿನಾಂಕ 17/12/1976 ರ ಆದೇಶ ಪ್ರತಿಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಸದರಿ ಜಮೀನುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮೂನೆ 7 so ಬಡಿಗೇರ್ ಉರ್ಫ್ ಸಾಕಿನ್ ತುಂಬದೆ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಸದರಿ ಆದೇಶ ಪ್ರತಿ ಭೂ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಕಡತವನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಭೂ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಆದೇಶ ಪ್ರತಿಯು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Lord, an organized, my lord, I should bring it to the notice of the court, my lord. What is happening is, my lord.
Please wait. Mr. Ayyar Biradar is directed to accept notice for respondents 1 and 2. AG is directed to accept notice for respondent 3, 4, 5, 6. List in the first week of March 2025.
Sought for an interim order.
Consideration of interim prayer.
May I bring it to the notice of the court?
Our ಕೇಳದೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು?
My lord, the basic error is there. My lord, I have produced RORs as on the date of writ petition.
This court has already considered the endorsement issued by the Tahsildar and says that the endorsement issued by the Tahsildar is false because there is an order passed by the land tribunal.
That is passed, my lord, behind my back. That error is there, my lord. I should have
therefore we have to hear them.
Difficulty is this, my lord. The land is acquired. The compensation is to be first. There is an organized, my lord, team of people, my lord, putting across these kind of, my lord, objections, my lord.
Pending disposal of this writ petition, the respondents 3, 4, 5, 6 are directed not to release the compensation in respect of the land bearing survey number 215 of Chimmalgi village. Nidugunda, Jaipur.
Has not kept the my account on hold. I have given representation and sought for clarification for what transaction it has been withheld. Till today, my lord, they have not given any proper response. Therefore, to consider my representation, I have filed.
For Mr. Manavendra Reddy.
Yes,
He is directed to accept notice for the respondent. List in the first week of March.
Number 12,
R.S. Gadaganji.
On the ground that 15 days clear notice is not issued to me, I am before this honorable court challenging the notice of
Office
respondent.
objection serial number 22 is overruled by accepting the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Yes. May I take honorable court to page number 21, my lords?
21, na?
Yes. This is the postal cover, which is the.
21.
Yes. Yes. Personally, notice is not served to me. It is through this postal cover the PDO has sent to me. The endorsement there shows as 18/2 when the post is being done. It is received by the concerned post office on the next page at 22. The endorsement can be seen as 19/2. The seal of the post office.
Seal is 18/2 antidiyalla.
18/2 one page ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ 19/2 ಅಂತಿದೆ. That is Afzalpur post office which has received. I have received it on 21st. The meeting is on 5th of March.
No, but post RPD kalsadu third resort alva.
Yes, my lords.
Sending the notice through RPD.
Yes.
Is the third resort that the panchayat PDO officer has to resort to.
Yes.
First manage barbeku, they have to serve it on your house.
They have not done anything.
If you're not there, paste it.
Yes.
Then third
is the
method is through RPD.
Yes.
Whether the first two have been done or not.
No, I am
referring. Done, my
lord.
Kindly see on 17/2. Through GPS camera, it has attached to the house of the petitioner, my lord. And at the residence of village, my lord, they have refused take notice, not petitioner, mother-in-law. And WhatsApp group, they have left the WhatsApp group on 17 itself, my lord.
Oh, they quit.
Yes, my lord. That screenshot also available with me.
GPRS location, nothing attempt has been made, my lord.
See,
I'll just copies may be served to.
Yes, I will serve copy.
If you find out ways and means, if Adhyaksha and Upadhyaksha find out ways and means to avoid the notice.
Definitely, then there is no relief.
We will have to relay the law.
Yes, sure.
10 days, 15 days notice is director in tanbiಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ.
Go to third.
Yes, I will give.
Pass over ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಡ್ 27th. Meeting is on 5th.
4th,
5th, man.
5th. Then let it come in the first week of March. Take a chance before a better judge.
27th.
List on 27th. Learned counsel, learned AGA is placed on record. Certain photographs indicating that the.
Along with memo, I produce.
Learned counsel for the learned AGA has filed a memo and enclosed therewith photographs of the notices pasted on the outer door of the house of the petitioner. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks time to secure instructions. List on 27th.
Yes.
27th.
Number 13.
My lords. 13 minutes. My lords, office objection relating to my lord, the typed copy of the sketch, my lord, which is annexed with the final decree. My my lord, my request for inserting of my name as per the final decree has been, my lord, rejected by way of endorsement at Annexure E at page number 16, my lord. On the ground that the third party's name is appearing recently.
Office objection serial number 2728 is by accepting the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
My lord, the final decree is passed on, my lord, 23/12/2020, my lord. And my lord, along with the Lebanese sketch also, I have furnished the representation.
Government.
Yes, ma'am. Direction may be issued within time limit.
AG is directed to accept notice for response 1 to 3. Expera. The order sheet and money. The petitioners have sought for a sought for a writ in the nature of certiorari, passed the endorsement dated 20th of January 2025 issued by the respondent number 2. They also sought for a direction to the respondent number 2 and 3 to enter their names as per the final decree passed in FDP 7/2019 dated 23/12/2025.
My lord,
By
I
the
may permit it, my lord, it is 20, my lord, it was typed, wrongly typed.
23/12/2020 passed by the learned senior civil judge and JMFC at Jevargi. Next part. Petitioners contend that they had filed a suit for partition separate possession invoice to 87 of 2018, which was decreed, and a preliminary decree was passed. Full stop. Following this, the petitioners filed FDP 7/2019, which was disposed of on 23/12/2020. Full stop. After the final decree proceedings, the petitioners requested the respondents to enter their names as per the final decree. The respondents insisted for a survey sketch in Form 11E. Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioners furnished it and requested the respondents to enter their names. Full stop. The respondent number 2 issued an endorsement dated 50th of January 2025, claiming that the name of a third party was appearing in the record of rights in respect of the disputed land, and therefore directed the petitioner to get the same rectified before the competent forum. Yaar ಹೆಸರಿತ್ತು?
My lord, that thereafter, my lord, on 23/9/2024, respondent number 2 has executed sale deed in favor of third party after passing a final decree of 4 years.
Respondent number 2 is assistant commissioner.
My lord, respondent number 2 of a final decree, my lord, that is Mallappa.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಿತ್ತು ನೀವು ಪಾಣಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ?
Application ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋರ ಹೆಸರು, party to the
Mallappa was a party to the
party, respondent number 3.
Next part. The learned counsel for the petitioner reiterated the above contentions and submitted that the respondents 2 and 3 are bound to implement the order passed by the final decree court and enter the names of the petitioner. Expera. The learned AGA submitted that the request of the petitioner shall be considered in accordance with law. Next part. The revenue records for the year 1920
stands in the name of
the name
Mallappa.
Please wait.
Yes.
1920 in respect of the land bearing survey number ಕಾಣದೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
51/3.
51 of which village?
My lord, it is Chigrali, my lord.
Of Chigrali. Andola
Hobli.
Andola Hobli.
Taluk Jevargi. Taluk Jevargi.
Jevargi Taluk. Stood in the name of Mr. Mallappa, who was a defendant number 3 in OS number. Defendant number 3 in FDP number 7/2019. The court, after considering the case, has held that the petitioners are entitled to a share therein and has passed a final decree to which Mallappa was a party. Therefore, the respondent number 2 was not justified in issuing the impugned endorsement, directing the petitioners to get the same rectified. Full stop. The respondent number 2 was therefore bound to enter the names of the petitioners in the revenue records based on the final decree proceedings. Final decree, full stop. The endorsement therefore, endorsement issued by the respondent number 2 therefore cannot stand and is liable to be quashed. Consequently, this writ petition is allowed. The impugned endorsement dated so-and-so, bearing number so-and-so issued by the respondent number 2 is quashed. The respondent number 2 and 3 are directed to enter the names of the petitioners as per the final decree dated 23/12/2025 in FDP 7/20, 23/12/20 in FDP 7/2019, passed by the senior civil judge and JMFC Jevargi. This shall be complied within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
Number 14, दिया कर query उसका.
My lordships, I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lordships.
Ah.
My lordships, I beg leave to appear in the video conference, my lords.
What is the office objection?
Office objection.
Can you read these documents?
My lordships. May I proceed?
Readable, my lordship.
38, 53.
The issue is with regard to annexure H, my lords, and annexure L.
Office objection ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, they're already in a hurry.
Sorry.
Without even seeing what are the office objections. 95. The office objection at serial number 1 is overruled by accepting the submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
My lordships, annexure H, page 50, 59 may kindly be perused, my lords. 59 and 60.
Annexure H.
H, page 60 is the relevant portion, my lords.
Yes.
This is dated 17/11/2023, wherein survey number, subdivision number 82/3 and 82/5 have been set aside, and it has been, orders have been passed to redo the same exercise. This was by the appeal, by this order was passed in an appeal filed by the private respondents. Subsequently, I was aggrieved with this order and I have preferred a appeal before the JDLR at annexure K, my lords, page 66. This is still pending consideration. And when this being the case, annexure K, my lords.
Yes.
In this appeal along with the stay application is still pending consideration. This being the case, on 16/12/24, with annexure L, the private respondents have filed an application for hadbast of the survey number 82/3, which is already set aside. I have filed my objections, my lords, on 18/5/2025, 18/2/2025.
So but you said that it is already set aside by the deputy commissioner.
DDLR, it has been set aside. That survey subdivision number 82/3 is no longer in existence until it is redrawn by the ADLR. Despite this order, the private respondents have filed an application for hadbast.
But then what did you challenge before the JDLR?
JDLR, I have challenged the order of DDLR. Annexure H is under challenge in annexure K, my lords.
Then what have they sought for in annexure L?
Annexure L, they have sought for hadbast of only survey number 82/3, which is already set aside.
No, I didn't understand. Please wait. This Ranjan, Preetham and Chakora.
Indeed, my lords.
They had filed some proceedings for setting aside the bifurcation of 82/3 to 5.
Indeed.
Correct?
Correct, my lords.
That was set aside.
That was set aside.
What did you challenge?
I was agreed with the setting aside of that bifurcation.
Of survey number?
82/3 and 82/5.
Yes.
I was in appeal before JDLR in annexure K,
Yes.
along with the stay application.
Yes.
That my appeal is still pending. Stay application is not considered.
Hmm.
In the meantime, Preetham to Chakora, they filed an application for hadbast of survey number 82/3.
Set aside ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ hadbast ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Please come to annexure L.
Annexure L, my lords, survey number vivara, survey sankhya vivara. Survey sankhya 82/3, ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ 3 ಎಕರೆ 10 ಗುಂಟೆ, so and so.
So you can say there's some endorsement as per the directions issued by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, Kalaburagi. Case is pending before JDLR in
This is
appeal
my
number.
ಇದು ನನಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. This is annexure L, notice was Hadvas, as I am the ಬಾಜುದಾರ್. ನನಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು JDLR ಗೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. JDLR ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ತಾವು ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
What is the survey number 82/3 na?
82/3 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ವಿವರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 82/3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನೇ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಬಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ ಜಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
CH directed accept notice for response 1 to 4. 1 to 5.
Indeed.
Issue emergency notice to respondent 6, 7 and 8. Till the next date of hearing, comma, the fixation of boundaries of survey number 82/3 of which village?
Of Azadpur village, Kalaburagi Taluk, Kalaburagi district, my lords.
Of Azadpur village. Azadpur village, huh?
Village, my lords. Azadpur village.
Kalaburagi Taluk, Kalaburagi district. Is state. It's listed in the second week of March 2025.
Much obliged, highly obliged, my lords.
Yes. Amresh Rosa.
Appear for the petitioner, my lords. The filing of certified copy of a impugned order, my lords, I may be permitted to file dispensation application.
Learned counsel for the petitioner undertakes to file an application seeking dispensation from the production of an certified copy of annexure F.
Please.
In view of the aforesaid submission, the office objection serial number 19 is upheld. The same shall be complied by the petitioner. Yes.
Let's kindly see, my lords, annexure F.
Annexure?
F, my lords. My nomination came to be rejected on the premise that, my lords, I have a more than one vote as contemplated under section 20.
More than?
One vote.
Are they in different societies?
Same society alla ಎರಡು vote ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ the nomination is rejected. Lords, the 21, my lords, the returning officer in section 21 of Cooperative Societies Act.
He has no power.
Please, my lords.
There is no power.
No power, my lords.
Workable issue. AJ is that for accept notice for response 1 to 4.
5 also, my
1 to
lords.
5. To emergent notice to respondent number 6, 7 and 8.
8, please.
Till the next date of hearing, comma, the impugned order at annexure F is states.
I may be permitted to my nomination may be accepted, my lords. Friday is the election, my lords.
So the acceptance of nomination is state. Consequently, the nomination of the petitioner shall be accepted. However, the acceptance of the nomination of the petitioner shall be subject to the result of this writ petition.
For the hearing interlocutory petition, serial number 16, R.S. Sitapurkar.
This is petitioner. 8,544 days.
10,000 days ಇದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10,000 days ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ
10,000
Land reforms matter.
2001 petition.
Land reforms matter.
ಆಯ್ತು ಒಟ್ಟು ಏನು 8,000
ಅದು dismiss ಆಗಿ they are also claiming to be the LRs. I am also claiming to be the LRs. Ultimately civil court has decided that we are the LRs. Thereafter this application was back.
Yes, is that a
Notice
fact?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
The civil court has decided who is the LR.
My lord,
he is appearing.
because in this writ petition, my lord, in 2006 itself, this honorable court has brought on record the LRs as Salimuddin, Jilani Patel and Hassan Patel. Those are the petitioner number 1 to 4. And Respondent number 10 sellers are claiming that now they are the LRs of Abbas Begum, who is the original petitioner, my lord. Their recalling application is also not maintainable because they are respondents in that writ petition, their predecessor.
No, who
And they
has
are
died?
tenant, my lord.
Salimuddin has died.
Salimuddin has died, my lord, but his LRs, Mohammad Ghosuddin, Faizuddin and Amina, these two persons have been, we are representing them.
No, but he says there's some civil suit where the court has decided.
That is decided, my lord, but we are going to file an appeal.
Adhyana ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It will be subject to the outcome of that appeal, whatever that you are going to file.
And in 2 weeks maybe, after a date may be fixed.
2022 can read the application, no?
We will file a detailed objection, my lord. The 2 weeks time may be granted, a date may be fixed, my lord.
So 2022, the application is filed.
Please.
And what are you doing for the last 3 years? 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ objections file ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. No, I'll allow these applications. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. IA 3 of 22.
Petitions ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ.
ಹಾ?
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರಿಟ್ petition copy ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
IA ಕಾಪಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
IA copy is issued notice ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ recently. I have filed only respondent number 6A MLS. ಉಳಿದವರಿಗೂ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? Notice is served on all of them.
Recently ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Learned counsel for the respondent seeks time to file objections. And so as a last chance, 1 week time is granted to do the needful.
IA 10 ಒಂದಿದೆ. IA 10.
IA 10 of 24.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹಾಕು.
Issue emergent notice on IA 10 of 24.
Please.
8, 9 and 10 of 24. ಇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಟಿಸು 9D
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸರ್ವ್ನು ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ IA 7 ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೀರಿ.
Number 17.
ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Kumar Amargondappa. I am appearing for respondent number 8.
I had also filed a writ petition. My writ petition was dismissed and a writ appeal is filed relating to one of the survey number involved in this case. The common order has been passed. So therefore, that has to be decided first and that has to be taken up.
But writ petition decide ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
The writ petition decided that, agreed by that, we have filed a writ appeal. That is which pending it is.
You have to follow the judgment passed in the writ petition.
Lordship.
Then we will have to follow.
Because the one of the survey number in regarding which I had sought for occupancy right, that came to be rejected, that I have not taken up the opportunity that was given earlier as per the previous writ petition order. So there is material to show that I was very much there.
Any objection for this application?
No, I have no.
Barkol IA 125 is filed by the legal heirs of the deceased petitioner to come on record by condoning the delay of 809 days in filing the application. The learned counsel for the respondent number 8 fairly does not oppose this application. Hence IA 125 is allowed and the applicants are permitted to come on record. The delay in filing the application is condoned and the abatement of the petition is set aside. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to amend the cause title. What about R2 to 4 and 7? 1 week time is granted to pay process, failing which the petition against the respondent number 2 to 4 and 7 shall stand dismissed. Yes.
Number 18, BD Hangarki.
BD Hangarki.
Your lordship, in this, if week times could be granted, my lords, in this case.
Vacating stay.
Oh.
Learned counsel for the petition seeks time to file objections to IA 1 of
I have
22.
informed my friend, my lords.
List in the second week of March.
This interim order, my lords.
Interim order granted early is extended to the next date. The other thing, this is the first time you are appearing before me.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು throat infection I could not.
I don't know. In the last 2 months, I have seen you only once.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ನಂದು.
Yes,
Number 19, PK Hiramand.
Notice ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Notice ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yeah, I filed application for respondent number 3, my lord.
My lord,
Reading.
kindly accommodate the matter for next week.
Why?
Because the counsel is out of station. On behalf of him, I am proxy counsel. I am appearing before this court.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನೋ 9 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ. ವಿತಿನ್ 1 month ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಜನವರಿ 2025 ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. Learn counsel for the petitioner seeks time to comply the order dated 30th of January 2025. List in the first week of March 2025.
But 20, I 1 of 3, my lord, implementing application is pending, my lord.
Yeah?
My lord. Implementing application is pending, my lord.
Right, more. Next.
But 20 Basuraj police party.
Basuraj and police party.
My lords, the honorable court directed for the furnish of ADLR report. Since many dates, the
yes, government
taking adjournments.
What does the report say?
Encroachment.
ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖದ
Six book as required.
Why don't you serve a copy to the other side? Copy ಕೊಡಿ ಒಂದು. ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. The learned AG has placed on record the survey conducted by the ಯಾರು?
ADLR.
ADLR.
ADLR Jawargi.
ADLR ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
Assistant Director of Land Record.
ADLR. As per the order dated 26/9/2024. The same is taken on record. Counsel for the petition seeks time. Yes, list in the second week, third week, second week of March 25. Mr. R.J. Busare.
21 R.J. Busare.
I have filed application for seeking stay, my lord. During pendency of the writ petition, my lord, the respondent, the agency has issued the recruitment notification to fill up the, my lord, the post which were held by the petitioners.
I want to file an objections to the application, my lord. 2023 alle remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದೆ. Now they are seeking interim.
Alla, because paper notification issued now.
Even though earlier also that was challenged.
Whether the petitions have been removed.
Removed, my lord.
They're not working as on date.
As on now.
Yes, my lord. We are removed, my lord. And that
They are not a
order is called
permanent
in
employees.
question. That order is called in question, my lord, in the present writ petition. Now, my lord, the notification issued to fill up those posts, my lord.
And what is your right?
Lord, the petitioners were appointed, my lord, through outsourced agency. By way of notification, my lord, the posts were called for. Interview has been conducted. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioners were selected, my lord, as Taluka manager, block manager, non-farm livelihoods, and my lord, the cluster supervisor skills. These are, my lord, the posts which they have to supervise, my lord, the Gram Panchayat level federation, my lord, schemes which are conducted, my lord, in the Gram Panchayat level by the Sanghas.
Where is your appointment letter?
My lord, annexure A. Page number 16, my lord.
Yes.
The serial number 6 is, my lord, the appointment of the first petitioner. ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. Then, my lord, ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 2 Manish Manpower Agency, my lord, that is notification is called, my lord. Then, my lord, the petitioners applied for the said post. Interview has been conducted and selected, my lord. Annexure A, B, C are, my lord, the appointment orders of these 3 petitioners. One, my lord, the Mallamma, who is working as a, my lord, the master book keeper, my lord, of the Sanghas, who had, my lord, misappropriated of the amount of rupees, my lord, near about 40 lakhs, my lord. And for which, my lord, the preliminary inquiry report has been submitted on the basis of inquiry. Thereafter, my lord, a FIR has been lodged against the Mallamma, my lord.
And the Jilla Panchayat has also taken, my lord, the, has filed a suit against that Mallamma, my lord, for recovery of that amount. There is no role of, my lord, these petitioners, my lord, in misappropriation of the funds, my lord. And the Mallamma has admitted, my lord, in the preliminary report that, my lord, she had misappropriated amount. Lordship, kindly see, my lord, the report. Page number 51.
What were you doing until Mallamma misappropriated the funds?
Alla, now
What were you
investigation.
doing?
Yes, my lord. Now hogi verify madadmelene Mallamma misappropriation madiddanna gottayitu. Then, my lord, FIR has been lodged, my lord. Lordship, kindly see, the report starts from page number 47. Relevant paragraph, page number 50, last paragraph, my lord. ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವಲೋಕಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನಿಯಮ ಬಾಹಿರವಾಗಿ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ನಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ಖಾತೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಖಾಸಗಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಹಣ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕುಮಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಬಾಬು ನಾಟೇಕರ್ ಎಂಬಿಕೆ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕನಗಂ ಇವರು ಅಪರಾಧವೆಸಗಿರುವುದು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಖಜಾಂಚಿಗಳ ಖಾಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂಗಡವಾಗಿ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಯಮ ಬಾಹಿರ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರುಗಳ ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸದರಿಯವರುಗಳ ಅವರ ವಿವರ ಕೆಳಗಿನಂತಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3 ಮೇಲೋಡ್ 3 ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್. ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ 3 ಜನ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಿಯಮ ಬಾಹಿರ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೂ ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸದರಿಯವರುಗಳು ಸಹ ಹಣ ದುರುಪಯೋಗವಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಸದರಿಯವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಸದರಿ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ ನಷ್ಟು ಎಂಬಿಕೆ ರವರು ಖಾಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಸದರಿ ಚೆಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ಎಂಬಿಕೆ ರವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತೆ ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಗಂಡ ಆತ್ಮಾನಂದ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬರಹಗಾರರು ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ಮುಡ್ಬಿಯವರು ಸಹ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಯೋಜನೆಯಡಿ ಹೊರಗುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಲಯ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ತಾಲೂಕು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ತಾಲೂಕು ಬಸವ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ರವರ ನಿಯಮಿತ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ನಿಯಮಿತವಾಗಿ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಇವರು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧವಾಗಿಯೇ ಸದರಿ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಾದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಪ್ಪ ತಂದೆ ನಾಗಪ್ಪ ವಲಯ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು ತಾಲೂಕು ಬಸವ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ರವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ತಂದೆ ಶರಣಪ್ಪ ತಾಲೂಕು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ತಾಲೂಕು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಬಸವ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ರವರು ಕಲ್ಕೋರ ಜಿಪಿಎಫ್ ಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣವು ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಇವರು ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಂತು. ದೇರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ಡ್. ಯುವರ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ದಿ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್. 3 ಜಿಪಿಎಲ್ಎಫ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ನಿಂದ 3 ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 39 ಮೇಲಾರ್ಡ್.
But what is your right for continuation?
It is an temporary, my lord, outsourced agency.
Through outsourced agency, we petitioners were appointed. But there is no misappropriation of fund, my lord, by the petitioners, my lord. They are only, my lord, having the role of, my lord, monitoring the scheme.
Let him file objections, but learn counsel for the rest.
But date may be fixed next week.
2 seeks time to file objections.
Because of the list ready ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Just in the second week of March.
Please, date, my lord, date on.
But second week of March. It's next.
Number 22.
Great.
Ulappa Heru.
12th February has directed fourth respondent to file statement of objection. That allowed 247 A matter it is. Annexure L is sought to be quashed.
Is God, yaar Ravi B. Patil.
Ravi Patil.
There is no representation for the respondent number 4. Ravi B. Patil. Objection file madila.
Week's time.
Require one more week's time, my lord. I have already prepared, my lord, the statement.
Because for the respondent number 4 seeks time to file statement of objections. List in the second week of March.
Okay. Great. Lord, earlier matter at 11th it may be. Second week under 11th.
Second week ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Number 23. Biradar Shenappa.
Correction of order ಏನಿದು? What is the correct mistake?
ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲಾಟ್,
ಹಾ,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
mistake
ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಲಾಟ್. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 1 to 3 ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಲಾಟ್ಸ್. 4, 5 ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಲ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲಿಬರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 1 to 3 ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 to 3 ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ.
I didn't get you. What is it you want by this application?
1 to 3 ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 1 to 3 ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ 4, 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Who is respond number 3?
Respond 3 is deputy director. Respond 2 is the director. Respond 1 is state.
No, but 4 and 5 ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
IA 1 of 25 is filed by the petitioner for correction of the interim order dated 15/1/2025. He claims that the order passed by the respondent number 4 and 5 terminating the services of the petitioner is yet to be approved. He claims that the respondent number 1 to 3 may also be bound by the order passed on 15/1/2025 to ensure compliance. Stop. In view of the above, the order dated 15/1/25 passed by this court shall also be complied by the respondents 1 to 3. Yes.
Much obliged.
Order shall be read in conjunction with the order dated 15/1/25.
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಡನ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಜಾಯಿಂಡರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವಿಗಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್
ಒಬ್ಲೈಸ್.
Jane, permission.
Appealing for the respondent number 4, my lordship, in this.
IA 1 of 24 for permission for grant of leave.
My lordship. As per order dated 11/2/2025, it must be posted in the second week of March, my lordship.
List in the second week of March 25 as per the order dated
11/2/2025.
ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಓವರಾಲ್
ಇದೆ ಹಂಗಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಮ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಹಂಗಂತ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು
25.
Number 25.
Yeah, for the petitioner.
IA 1 of 24 is allowed.
Government has directed my lord to produce the
Respondent number
document.
3, Tahsildar shall be present along with the relevant documents.
My last head of hearing, Tahsildar is present, my lord. This week, my lord, he has gone to Prayagraj for 4, 5 people of Bidar persons are died in accident, my lord.
Died in the accident.
Road accident adaka body ತರ ಸಲಗ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿ
Tahsildar is died.
Tahsildar ಇಲ್ಲ, Bidar persons died adaka district administration sent Tahsildar, my lord.
Barkul, the learned AGA submits that the Tahsildar is on official duties at Prayagraj.
Yes.
So hence list in the first week.
Second week.
Second week of March.
Date could be fixed, my lord. Date could be fixed. Documents
Date
may
could list on date.
Yes.
11th March.
Number 26, Upasagar Patil.
My lord, I appeal for a respondent, contesting respondent. As per the directions of this honorable court, my lord, the Tahsildar and the food inspector filed their report.
My lord, the report of the Tahsildar is not clear, my lord.
It
Because
is.
lordship,
If Lordship looks at the earlier documents which I have produced, along with
What is the report of the Tahsildar?
report says he has given the food grains to some of them, he has not given the food grains to some of them. My lord,
Yes, please read.
please, my lord. My lord, the report is at page number 2, my lord. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿತ ಪತ್ರ 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಚಿಸಿರುವಂತೆ ಕುಕ್ನೂರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 73 ವರ್ತಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ತಂದೆ ರೇವಣ್ ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ರವರು ಸದರಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಿಗದಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಎಂಬುದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 6/2/2020 ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ವರದಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಪೀಠ ಕಲಬುರಗಿರವರು ಆದೇಶದ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/2/2025 ಸಮಯ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 4:50 ಯಡ್ರಾಮಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಕುಕ್ನೂರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 73 ಶ್ರೀ ಗುಳೇಶ್ವರ್ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತಮ್ಮ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/2/25 ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದಾಗ ಸದರಿ ಡೀಲರ್ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಜರಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸದರಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಿಂದ ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ವರ್ತಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ತಂದೆ ರೇವಣ್ ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 24 ಜನವರಿ 25 ಮಾಹವರಿಗೆ ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ವಿಚಾರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ವರ್ತಕರು ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಿಂದ ಮೊದಲು ತಂಬ ಪಡೆದ ತದನಂತರ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರು ಹೇಳಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರು ಸದರಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯ ವರ್ತಕರು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರು ತಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಪಡೆದಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಈರಣ್ಣ ತಂದೆ ಭೀಮರಾಯ ತಳವಾರ್ ಅವರು ತಂಬ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಹೋದಾಗ ಸದರಿ ಡೀಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ರಸೀದಿಯನ್ನು ಹರಿದು ಬಿಸಾಕಿರುತ್ತಾರೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಡೀಲರ್ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ವಿತರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರು ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಡೀಲರ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಕಾನೂನು ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಸದರಿ ಡೀಲರರು ಬಂದಂತ ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ತರಾತಮ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ದರ್ಪದಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಬೆಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ದೂರು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಪಂಚನಾಮ ಪತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಡುದಾರರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಪತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಾದ ಸದರಿ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. My lord, this is the report. Now, my lord,
the Tahsildar also filed his report, my lord.
Let him complete.
Please.
What is wrong with you? Allow him to complete.
Please.
Lord, my first allegation on the Tahsildar is report was not submitted to this court. On that day only, respondents come to know that already the report is submitted to the AG office, and even the government advocate doesn't know that the report is submitted. First thing. Second thing, my lord, I have produced along with a memo the entire list to how many persons have allotted. Looking into that list, my lord, it can be clearly made out. That is a list obtained from the computer. It is not a tampered list, or it is a computer typed computer printout, my lord. Normally in villages, my lord, there will be rivalry between some groups, my lord. Totally, there are 675 cards in the shop number 73 Kuknoor village, my lord. In September 2024, 617 have been issued the food grains.
Now, what was the quantity of food grains it was indented by you, and what was?
Well, that I have produced along with the list is produced. Entire list is produced, my lord. Yes, my lord. Lordship can see in September 6, 24, the opening balance was 6.84 quintal, my lord. Allotted was 70, total 76. In that, 71 was sold, my lord, in respect of rice. In respect of closing balance was only 5 quintals. And in respect of jawar, 3.3 was the opening balance, 46.72 was the allotted, total was 50, and sales lifted is 47, total balances. Now, as on January 25, the last date, my lord, the total closing balance in respect of rice is 6.66 quintals, and in respect of jawar is 3.18 quintals. Here, my lord, the respondent number 6 and 7 and the Tahsildar are hand in glove, my lord, and they want to see that there is something, because lordship only knows, my lord, there is recording also that even the government agent doesn't know that the report is submitted to the office, my lord. In that time, the respondents, they come to know that already the report is submitted to the Accountant General Office.
Yes. Have you verified this list that he has furnished?
No, my lord.
You ran produce ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ? He says that the rise and what is verified? ಎಷ್ಟಿದಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
The food inspector has checked.
No, my lord, nothing. They are not checked regarding that, my lord. They only say that, they only inquire with the villagers and say that.
Yes, Mr. Giridhar.
My lord, my humble submission is that, my lord, as per the directions, my lord, the petitioner himself was not present before the inquiry.
My lord,
Even
that
he
I will
was,
submit.
and my lord, my friend would hand over the synopsis, my lord. Wherein, my lord, this very petitioner had shot a card holder. He was shot and he was dead, and he was in the 3 years of jail for only purpose seeking like food grains. My lord, they were key people, my lord, they are suffering from hunger, and the BPL card holders have not been given an opportunity to have their food, which is a guaranteed scheme by the government. In my statement of opposition, I have filed my.
Produce some statement.
Please, my lord.
Can you please? He has filed some statement.
Please, my lord. Please.
Which shows that from September 24 to January 25, he has distributed the food grains.
Correct, my lord.
Has anyone checked this? Has anyone checked this?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anybody checked?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Has anyone checked this?
It has to be checked by the food inspector only, my lord.
But what did the food inspector do when he visited the shop?
My lord, he has verified with the Gram Panchayati persons. He has verified with the card holders how the distribution is there. Here, my lord, is a case, they give a thumb. Thereafter, a receipt is generated, and that receipt is torn out. That is a specific allegation which has been made.